Breaking news. So some people are scared of buying. Some people are scared of buying. Omo, come and see Wike Kabashing inside his private jets that had engine failure. You need to hear the voice. You need to hear the vibration of the prayer. Wike was calling down Jesus, calling down Angel Michael and all the guiding angels to come and fix the private jets. But I noticed something, right, about the pilot. Pilots were there looking for solutions. They were looking for solutions, calling people. They were calm. But we get Rebel Saka. He was kabashing inside the private jet. God should come down and solve the problem. You know, kudos to that those pilots. And those pilots were also recording his voice. They were recording his voice. Guys, I will leave you to watch the video and kindly drop your opinion on the comment section. Watch the video.
No, we are climbing 340. Yeah, but we need to reduce. Don't need race. Se let the so we are heading 280 descending now. Flight level 150 request message. Oh, Father! Oh, Father! This is the time to put them on. This is the time to put them on. Heavenly Father! Heavenly Father! Oh, tell us. Don't give me the pilot. No, we are descending. We are descending. Like level 150. The heading. Go back. Check the speed. Maintain 250.